In this cooking video library review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your hands on 200 cooking videos that you can use to monetize however you want and even resell them and keep all the money. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Cooking Video Library, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. We've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, attention marketers, are you ready to monetize your health and food passion with ready-made content that converts and fills your pockets with endless cash? Grab your hands on the top-notch, authentic and HD quality video product cooking video library with unrestricted private label rights to use, resell, and earn profit as well. So essentially what this is, you get 200 HD cooking videos. You probably have seen these before. I love watching cooking videos. You get 50 healthy cooking recipe ebooks, 800 cooking articles, all that you can take them, you can upload to your YouTube channel, you can do whatever you want with them, and you can start monetizing them, you can resell them. Now they show a bunch of income here from products that they sold. This really doesn't have anything to do with this, but I mean, there's no reason why you can't take these. You can just upload them, and any money that you make with them will just be like icing. Just like extra money that you make from it, right? There's people out there that are actually writing and creating this type of content and selling it on places like Fiverr. You could go out there and potentially do that as well and resell them on places like that if you want to. And you can make a blog, you could make a YouTube channel, however you want to do it. You are welcome to use this content. There's real examples of it on the sales page. So if you actually want to see some examples of these cooking videos, you can see them right on the page. So you'll know exactly what you're getting. You get the cooking recipe books as well. You get the articles as well that you could use for SEO to drive traffic, all included for a very low one-time price. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Dear business owners, are you grappling to build wealth from online business while doing everything you can? Then all you need is a potential and top converting product in hot niche. So, here you are dreaming of turning your passion for food into a thriving online business. We are about to reveal the secret sauce to success in the hottest online niche there is, food. The food and cooking niche is a culinary goldmine. Here's why. 60% of social media users can't resist a good cooking video that's a massive pool of hungry viewers just waiting to be hooked by your content. Food blogs with high-quality recipes can convert those viewers into loyal followers, with conversion rates reaching a sizzling 10%. And get this, top food bloggers are living the dream, pulling in 6-figure salaries just by sharing their love for delicious food. By keeping all these things in mind, we have brought this professionally created done-for-you HD videos on an evergreen and top-selling niche that will grab the attention of your audience. That is, introducing Cooking Video Library with Unrestricted PLR. Unlock the potential of Cooking Video Library to accelerate engagement and earn ceaseless profits. But this isn't just another recipe collection, it's your all-you-can-eat content buffet, bursting with 200 high-definition cooking videos, professional-grade visuals that will have your audience drooling and hitting that subscribe button. 50 healthy recipe ebooks, a treasure trove of delicious and nutritious dishes, perfect for today's health-conscious eaters. 800 in-depth cooking articles, educate and inspire your readers with information-packed content they'll crave. Think of it as a year's worth of content, ready to publish and take your food blog to the next level. Imagine the possibilities. Effortlessly create stunning blog posts with mouth-watering recipes and captivating videos. Fuel your social media channels with content that gets your followers hungry for more. Build an email list with informative articles. Affiliate marketing, promote all your favorite kitchen gadgets and ingredients alongside your recipes. Sell your own products, develop your own signature meal plans or cookbooks using the provided content as a base. Offer online cooking courses, turn your expertise into passive income with pre-recorded or live video tutorials. But the real wealth lies in unrestricted PLR that comes along with it that will shoot up your bank accounts to thousands of dollars in profit. Selling private label rights to HD cooking videos, ebooks, and articles is the ultimate and tested strategy to generate high incomes consistently, and the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. Now, this is the secret: top marketers are earning a living online by selling digital training programs, but successful marketers are making a fortune online by selling digital products with exclusive private label rights. So, if you are serious about your business, you will immediately get your hands on this opportunity. You're getting everything ready to trade and cook to serve your clients at a meager price. So, do not wait, it is a dime sale, the prices will go up. Act now.
Okay, so we're back. So if you purchase, you'll get access to all these different videos here that you can download from their members area. You can go in here and download all your different products right inside of this area. There are multiple upgrades. First one is going to give you, it says that you can get the private label rights to this. I think you get more videos with this. Let me see. You get a bunch more stuff with this upgrade. Oh, here we go. Okay, so you're going to get more cooking videos, healthy cooking videos, 20 new juice ebooks, 600 cooking quotes, all for a one-time price. Then they've got another upgrade that's going to give you even more stuff with this. So 300 HD quality cooking videos with different recipes and whatnot. So you can get even more with this upgrade. And this one's going to be, find the price for you. This is really cheap, 15 bucks. And the last one is going to give you the done for you resellers kit. So you actually go out there and resell all this and keep all the profits from it. And this one is going to be, they give you like sales pages and stuff like that, 47 for this. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Cooking Video Library and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, don't expect you're going to upload these and start making like millions of dollars overnight. It's not going to happen. It will take time. These are just assets to upload to like a channel or to use to drive traffic, but they are just tools and not some magic button. What do I like about it? I mean, these are useful. You can use them you can create a new channel if this is something that you've always wanted to get into and you wanted to kind of kickstart it. You can resell them. Lots of different uses with this. If this is something that you're interested in, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my cooking video library review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.